Hey everybody, it's Lisa Freeman here from stampingwithlisa.com, and I'm coming to you today to show you a new video. This one is the Forever Fern quilted card. So this is the card I'm going to be showing you today. I recently did this one for a swap with a bunch of other demonstrator friends, and I wanted to show you how I did it. I don't know if you can see the quilted up close, how it's quilted in there. It's a really easy card, and I just love this paper. Love the stamp set, love the paper, love the ribbon. This is definitely one of my favorites from the new catalog. So let me show you, well, let's wait a couple minutes till everybody gets on here. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's really hot here. I'm kind of waiting for some breezes to come. All of a sudden it's just like so hot, and there's no breeze outside. It's just like hot, hot, hot. So hopefully we'll have a nice cool weekend this weekend. All right, let's see. Give it another minute or so. Let me get you the supply list. So this is the card we're making, and these are the supplies you're gonna need. So you've got 5.5 by 8.5. This is the jade, the new jade. I think it's just jade. It's really pretty, and you fold that in half. Oh, Carol's watching. Hey, Carol. This is the new paper, the Forever Fern or Forever Greenery paper. And then we've got white, Pear Pizzazz, and Pretty Peacock. So hopefully, can you see all those in there? Let me scoot them up. And then we've got one piece of ribbon. This one is 7 inches. And we're going to use another little piece too. So I'll just let you take the screenshot of that if you want to. Let me scoot it over a little bit so you can get everything in there. In case you want to make this yourself if you've already ordered some new stuff. Hey Diane. How you doing? Hey Carol. Glad you could join me. I'm just waiting for a couple more people to get on, and then we'll start in just a second. And I just finished making one of the cards for another class that I'm doing on Friday, using not this stamp set, but the In Good Taste stamp set, which is one of my favorites too. All right, so hopefully you got a picture of that. So I'm just going to put this away for a second and show you what the products that we're using. So the products are the Forever Fern Stamp set, which I love, love, love. This is so beautiful. It's distinctive, a distinctive stamp set that is one of Stampin' Up's new features on some of the stamp sets, so it makes it look kind of 3D. It's got some dark and light elements to it, so it's not just a flat stamp. It looks more realistic, and I love this one. And then we're using this embossing folder called Tasteful Textile, and this is the one that makes the quilting happen, so it's really cool. I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like just fabric, I mean, or woven, kind of woven. I wish they would put the names on these, so then, because I have to keep the paper with it, so I don't forget what the name of it is, but it's Tasteful Textile. And then we're going to be using this ribbon, which I've already gone through. This is my 3rd roll here. The only bad thing about this ribbon is it comes in a combo pack of 3 different ribbons, and it's called Flowers for Every Season. And you get this one, and I can't even remember what the other ones. I haven't used the other ones that come in it, but I just keep buying it to use this one because this is my favorite one, and I'm gonna have to start using the other ones that come in it. So this ribbon is just so pretty. It's gingham, and I think it's the Just Jade color. It doesn't really say on here what color it is. I don't know, but it looks like it's it's jade. So that is just so pretty, and it's like 1/2 inch. No. 3/8 of an inch. All right, so we've got that. And then the colors we're going to be using are Pear Pizzazz ink and Pretty Peacock ink. And if you want to place an order, stampingwithlisa.com, you can always go there, click on Shop Now button, to order anything you like. And there's not really a whole lot of stamping to this one, just the one little piece of white. So I'm going to set everything aside except for the white piece. Well, actually, yeah, let's just go ahead and stamp that first. So this is the 2 1/4 by 3 1/4 piece. All right, let's see. Anybody else? Oh, hey, Kathy, how you doing? All right, so first thing we're going to do is the words. And we're going to do those right in the middle. Let me move this over. Can anybody see? I know sometimes I tend to go off the screen because I get carried away and I keep putting it closer to myself. But I tried to move everything up today so you could see it. Oh, other Carol's on here. Got Carol, British Carol, and Teacher Carol. How you guys doing? All right, so the To a Friend That Makes Me Smile is going to go right in the middle. And there you go. So that's the first step. Tap that off. All right, then I'm going to use the same color ink, and this is the little, I think it's eucalyptus is what I've figured out. It kind of looks like berries, so you could use it either way, but I'm pretty sure it's eucalyptus. So we're going to stamp that all around, maybe like 3 or 4 times, like that. And do a couple second generation. So ink it up once, stamp it twice. And I think that's the only thing we need with that color. All right, then we're going to go to Pear Pizzazz. And with the Pear Pizzazz, we're going to be doing the leaves. And I love these little leaves. And you're just going to pop them in wherever you see the white space left. I think I'm going to do all these full strength, maybe. There you go. So that's super easy. And next we're going to put some little dots on here. And I love these little dots. They're so cute. Just add a little pop to it. And that's really it for the stamping. This is a super quick and easy card. All right, so here's where the magic happens. So we're going to put this with the Pear Pizzazz piece. That was the 2 1/2 by 3 1/2 piece. Glue these together. Oops. I'm always afraid I'm going to smear it because sometimes the inks, if they're really juicy, they smear. So you got to be careful. So that's what that looks like now. And then we've got this other piece over here. This is from that designer paper that goes with the Forever Fern. I think it's called Forever Greenery. It's like the Forever Greenery Suite, and then everything has a different name, so that there's like the suite, and then the bundle, and then the paper, and they all have different names, and I get them all mixed up. So I kind of wish they were all called the same thing, so then you could kind of figure it out. But all right, this strip right here is 5 1/4 by 1 1/4. Put a little bit of tape on here. And this goes about maybe 1 inch from the top. So just put it right about here. All right, now these 2 pieces need to be quilted. I didn't bring my Big Shot with me, but I did, through the magic of television, do it ahead of time. So I'm just going to show you. You just put it right in the folder. And this is a regular size folder. So you stick it in here. And I always do it with the Stampin' Up! Facing up. Put this through your Big Shot, and when it comes out, it's going to look like this. So see that quilting on there? Isn't that pretty? Love it. Love it, love it. All right, and then we're going to do the same thing with this one. Stick it in here, magic of television, and voila. So these 2 just get run through and they're quilted. If you do want a deeper look on there, you can spritz it with a little bit of water first and it'll give it more of a deeper impression. Like this solid piece on top that looks a little bit deeper than the paper does. All right, and then we just are going to put a ribbon on. So I cut this ribbon, I think it's at 7 inches. Yep, 7 inches. We're just going to wrap that around and tape it to the back. You can use glue dots or just some adhesive. This is the old snail. I've got a million of these to use up, so I'm going to just go ahead and use these. I did buy the new Stampin' Seal tape. I need to get used to it, I think. It's kind of reminds me of the, oh, what's that one? Now I can't remember the name of it. Gosh, why do I forget everything once I start taping? Anybody who's watching remember what that was called? Fast Fuse. Fast Fuse. It kind of reminds me of Fast Fuse, where you have to do the check mark, but it's not as bad as that one was, because that one always had a problem with it. But this one, it works pretty well. I just got to get used to it because it's different than the snail adhesive. All right, so then we're going to put this on top of our jade piece. And I think I'm going to use the Tombow glue for this one. Whoops, that one's not open. Let's use this one. It's almost empty. All right. This one sticks really well. I love the Tombow glue. All right, so put that down. Hold it for a second. Hey, Patty. All right, so we've got that glued down. And then for our front piece, we're going to put dimensionals on the back of this. And I just put like 4, 1 in each corner. Oops. Those don't stick very well. I guess the paper came off with it. Let's put a whole one over here. I'll stick it to my fingernail. Okay, so take those off. And then we're going to put that on the left side over here. All right, then we're going to put a little bow, like a little faux bow right here on the ribbon that we've already got. And I lost it already. I like to leave it on the spool when I do this part because it wastes less, because if you cut the piece ahead of time, then you're trimming it and you waste some ribbon. So this is a little bit of a saver for you. So just tie it in a little knot and trim it. So we have that. We've got a couple more steps. So these are new things. They're called Antique Corners and Slides Elements. And they're on back order now because I just ordered like 5 more things of them. And I only have 2 left. So we're going to use the last 2 on this card. So I love these things. These are ribbon sliders. So you can put your ribbon through these and put it on the front of a card. So they're cute too. But I love these little corner things. And they go on with the glue dot. So we're just going to stick a glue dot on the back of here. And then put it in the corner. Like so. And then take another one, do the same thing. Put a glue dot on the back. Stick that in the other corner. And there you go. Let me get my trash out of the way. Oh, and then, of course, we want to spray it with some shimmer paint because we want to make it sparkle. So, let me get my handy tray out. Shake, shake, shake my shimmer paint. And if you haven't seen this before, it's just alcohol mixed with the champagne shimmer paint. And I make a spray out of it. And I use 70% alcohol. There's different kinds of alcohol. I never knew that till I started stamping. There's like 50%, 70%, 90%. The 70% is the one you want to get. Fill it almost all the way to the top with alcohol. And then put in about 1/4 teaspoon of the shimmer paint and shake it. If you have a couple BBs or something in there, you can, it helps mix it up, you know, like nail polish. And then spritz it 3 or 4 times, maybe 5. Give it a good second to dry. Let me hold it up for you so you can see it. Isn't that beautiful? Can you see all the shine on there? I'm trying to catch it in the light so you can see it sparkle. Isn't that beautiful? That is a super easy card. This paper, really, you don't have to do much to it. It's so pretty. Almost every single piece in there, I just love it. So I think you can see the shimmer. I'm looking at the computer screen, I can see it. So I hope you liked my video. And I hope you will try this yourself once you get the stamp set paper. It's available now, and these are the only thing that are back ordered right now as far as I know, and I think they're supposed to come in about 2 weeks. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you stop by my YouTube channel, and I'm going to upload it there. And subscribe once you get there. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell. And you can order from stampingwithlisa.com anytime. And the hostess code is on that website. And you just click the shop now button. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.